ikhuzele kuku esuthi ikhwele phezu kwethu ikhuzele kuku
When I lost umkhweyana wami eLobhengula West, uSigoge, abanye bayamazi empini. Sathi sesililweni kwathutsha umuntu othiwa nguThamboleNyoka. Engimazi wathiwa nguTeniseni engu-instructor eMembeshe, one of the bases near the Zambezi la. Waqalisa ukuharasa abantu nxa besevuka ukudla, wena faka inyama la. So sengibuza abantu kathi uThamboleNyoka sehlanya yini? Kuthiwa hayi kahlanyi vele uyenza so yele ukuze ungukhansela khona lokuzini yahlupha abantu nguyodla kakhulu emfeni. So ngokuthanda ukukhuluma ngoba vele umlomo wami utshekile. Undodo omunye oseduze lami sethi hayi man kade awukwazi Mzila ukuthi ngithi hayi kangikwazi ubuyenze kuthiyela. Indoda uthiwa nguNdlovu. Mina angisamazi ngiyambona nje ukuthi uNdlovu. Siyambona edrobheni indoda lo uthi hayi kade awukwazi ukuthi mina ngisemagnet lapha. Yes. I-magnet yi-office i-building yathengwa yithi ama-Zebra. Now, we need to understand this, why we are saying into le must be investigated. Because these things, ayisiwe yedwa uThamboleNyoka. He's not the only one. And so it is important for us to understand the origins. Okay. To understand the origins of this thing and into as effectual singaphumputhi. Kukhanya banengi ababebuya bezethatha imali yiba abantu abesithi nxa bengafika ekhaya bathi khona libone ngapha amalokuzeni amasotsha abantu bathi lisiphekele baphekele ukuthi asilambe over beqeda ukudla besuka behamba amasotsha sefikile. Is the same unit of people ba operator bonke, and whether you go to ilokuzeni kind region yamaRohingya, it's the same system, same modus operandi. They have to create this artificial reason for doing what they are doing. Genocide, there is an identical modus operandi. Invariably, it's the same way of doing things. Uzokuthi plane has just exploded in mid-air. Same thing. That which sparked the war in Rwanda, and the genocide in Rwanda. Something spectacular must happen around there. So we are saying each genocide is genocide because Lama features that are identical to the features of other genocides committed elsewhere.